Looking for the ultimate way to soothe your muscles, relieve tension, and boost recovery in 2024? You've come to the right place. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best massage guns of 2024 that are revolutionizing the way we recover and relax. Number 1. The Theragun Prime is a top-tier percussive therapy device designed to alleviate muscle tension and enhance recovery. Developed by Therabody, the Prime model offers a perfect balance of power, simplicity, and affordability, making it a favorite for both athletes and everyday users. At the core of the Theragun Prime is its impressive 16 mm amplitude, which allows for deep muscle penetration, providing effective relief from tight knots and soreness. With a powerful motor, it delivers up to 2,400 percussions per minute, yet operates quietly thanks to Therabody's Quiet Force technology. The ergonomic multi-grip handle makes it easy to target hard-to-reach areas like your back or shoulders, reducing strain on your hands and wrists. Equipped with 4 attachments, the Prime is versatile enough to address different muscle groups with precision. What sets the Theragun Prime apart is its smart integration with the Therabody app, which offers personalized wellness routines and guides users through recovery protocols. This makes it an ideal choice for anyone looking to take control of their muscle care routine. Whether you're recovering from a workout or simply dealing with daily stress, the Theragun Prime provides an efficient and accessible solution for muscle relief and overall well-being. Number 2. The Hyperice Hypervolt is a premium percussive massage device designed to relieve muscle soreness, stiffness, and improve overall mobility. Known for its quiet operation and powerful performance, the Hypervolt is a popular choice among athletes, trainers, and those seeking an effective way to boost recovery and ease muscle tension. Equipped with a high-torque motor, the Hypervolt delivers up to 3,200 percussions per minute, providing deep muscle relief. It features quiet glide technology, ensuring minimal noise during use, so you can enjoy a massage experience without the typical loud buzzing. The device comes with 5 interchangeable heads, allowing you to target different muscle groups and adjust the intensity to meet your needs. What truly sets the Hyperice Hypervolt apart is its innovative pressure sensor technology, which offers real-time feedback to ensure you're applying the right amount of pressure. Combined with the Bluetooth connectivity, you can sync the device with the Hyperice app, which provides customized recovery programs and guides you through specific routines. Lightweight and easy to handle, the Hypervolt is perfect for at-home use, the gym, or on the go. It's an essential tool for anyone looking to improve their recovery, relieve tension, and enhance muscle performance. Number 3. The TimTam Power Massager is a robust and effective percussive therapy tool designed for deep muscle relief and recovery. Engineered for athletes, fitness enthusiasts, and anyone dealing with muscle stiffness or soreness, the TimTam Power Massager offers a professional-grade solution to enhance recovery and improve mobility. One of its standout features is its 90-degree articulating head, which makes it easy to reach difficult areas like the lower back or shoulders. With a 500 strokes per minute motor, this massager delivers powerful percussion therapy to penetrate deep into the muscles, helping to release tension, improve blood flow, and reduce recovery time after intense workouts. The device is simple to use, with a one-touch trigger and a compact design that makes it easy to handle and carry. Its interchangeable massage heads allow for customization depending on the specific needs of your muscles, whether you need gentle relief or intense, targeted therapy. Though powerful, the TimTam Power Massager is designed for convenience, featuring a rechargeable lithium-ion battery that offers long-lasting performance. Whether you're an athlete in need of post-training recovery or simply looking to manage daily muscle stress, the TimTam Power Massager delivers fast, effective relief for sore, stiff muscles. Number 4. The Exerscribe Vybe V2 is a powerful and budget-friendly percussive massage gun designed to relieve muscle pain, improve recovery, and enhance flexibility. Known for its versatility and strength, the Vybe V2 is a great tool for athletes, fitness enthusiasts, and anyone looking to reduce muscle tension after intense activities. With its 6 variable speed settings and up to 400 strokes per minute, the Vybe V2 allows you to customize the intensity of your massage, from a light soothing touch to deep muscle penetration. This range of speeds makes it ideal for different needs, whether you want to relax tight muscles or speed up recovery after a workout. The Exerscribe Vybe V2 comes with 3 interchangeable massage heads, allowing you to target different muscle groups with precision. Despite its power, the Vybe V2 remains easy to use, featuring a lightweight, ergonomic design that ensures comfortable handling during longer sessions. One of the most appealing aspects of the Vybe V2 is its affordability. It delivers professional-grade performance at a fraction of the cost of higher-end models, making it accessible to a wide range of users. For anyone looking to improve their muscle care routine without breaking the bank, the Vybe V2 is an excellent choice. Number 5. The LifePro Sonic is an advanced percussive massage gun designed to provide deep tissue relief, accelerate muscle recovery, and improve overall mobility. Built with athletes, fitness enthusiasts, and anyone seeking effective muscle care in mind, the LifePro Sonic combines power, precision, and affordability into a versatile recovery tool. With 5 adjustable speed levels, ranging from 1,200 to 3,000 percussions per minute, the LifePro Sonic allows you to tailor the intensity of your massage to your needs. Whether you're dealing with light soreness or deep muscle tension, this massage gun can help relieve discomfort and improve blood flow for faster recovery. The LifePro Sonic includes 8 interchangeable massage heads, making it ideal for targeting specific muscle groups, from larger areas like the back and thighs to smaller, sensitive regions like the neck and shoulders. The device's long battery life, with up to 6 hours of use per charge, ensures you have plenty of power for multiple sessions. With its quiet motor technology, the Sonic operates smoothly without disruptive noise, providing a relaxing experience. Its ergonomic, lightweight design also ensures ease of use, allowing you to comfortably handle the device during long sessions. For effective, customizable muscle relief, the LifePro Sonic is a top choice.